Hello, everybody. I am here again for a new unboxing vlog. So from Amazon. If you're gonna like it. There. I got it again. Nag-order na naman po ako. I did order it from Amazon. A lot of things that I'm gonna unbox for today. So, one, and then, although I had it already on shorts, but I guess I would like to make use of this premiere or this vlog to show you again what's inside of these boxes. But first, yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make like bukas this one first. Yeah, this one that I got. This is really what I really wanted to have during my live. So I actually just had it now, and I forced Zem Abella UK to get one of this also because it's kind of like cute on your setup sa studio ninyo while you are on live. So I'm gonna show you what's in it. Okay. So buksan na siya. And there. So this is what it is. The on-air yan, signage lang para lalagay ko sa aking studio. So yeah, makikita niyo mamaya why I actually purchased this one. Diba gumagalaw-galaw po yung aking camera. Kung saan ako nandun, susundin niya ako. And then, oops, up, down. So, ayan, open na natin. Open ko na palanat natin kasi natin, dapat you're here with me. Okay. So, it has this cord. Ayan, may cord siya. Kita niyo aking putol na kadiri. Naku ko pala. Ay, Diyos ko pong hirap ito bas. Ayun. And there. So, kailangan na ng battery. Yan. It shows on air. On air. Susundan na naman ang aking camera yan. Di ba? Susundan ang camera ko. And then, let's see kung ilan battery. So, it's like 3 AA batteries. So, I'm just gonna get an AA battery. Give me 1 second. So, I got 3 AA batteries. 1, 2, 3. Ayun, pakitin ko kasi pangit yung sa kabila. Anyway, may cover niya. So, just have to put it there. Okay. 1, and then 2, and 3. I hope this will gonna work and hindi siya sira. Pag to maganda ilaw niya, I'll be happy. And then there's the power button sa gilid po. The power button. Then, see. Hi, can you see? Ay, hindi siya makikita kasi sa camera. Medyo mahalo siya. But, it's on air. It says on air. Yan, on air na daw. There. Like, it's really nice. It's really maganda naman pala. Anyway, it's really kitty patuti. And I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna show you on my although hindi siya masyado makikita kasi yun siya. So where I'm gonna put it is on there. Ayan. Tapos yung nakalilaw-ilaw siya dun. Or dito na lang siya. Diba? Wherever it will be like maganda siyang tignan. But anyway, yun yan. Yan ang aking na-order for today. So, yan. Din siya on air ko. So, I'm happy. I'm happy with that thing that I got. And of course, there's like I got 4 more boxes that I have here. I know that some of you already seen this on my short videos, but I'm still gonna show you on this vlog. Okay, so this one is like mga accessories. Eventually, this one I already use it on the show. So, ganyan lang siya. But it's really nice and it's cheap. It's Italian gold lang naman. Pero, di ba, if you're in the Philippines and then you're gonna wear like mga totoong alahas, oh my God, puto lang leeg nyo. And I also got another one here. It's really like also cute. Kasi ayan siya. Ayan. It's also nice. Nice necklaces. Napamimigay ko lang po. This is the things that I'm also always buying. Para ibang ipamigay ba sa sa mga pag-uwi mo sa Pilipinas. Though it's Italian gold lang. But, syempre, it's the thought that counts naman. So, yeah. Siya. Then there's another one there na same nung isa. But this is kind of like, ayan. Ayan. White naman siya. Pero the chain is really nice. And the last one is ito yung baling ko po dito. So this is also a nice necklace that has a butterfly. So ayan. Hala, hindi na ako sinusundan ng aking camera. But anyway, that's what I got for tonight. So there it goes. So I'm so happy with what I got from Amazon again, and the place where I always buy most of the things that I use on my streaming, and of course here in the house. And I got my microphone from them. I got this, and then I also got all the letters, yung mga letters na makikita niyo sa akin during my live streaming. The letters that like DEE is on my back, aking mga backdrop. So it's all from Amazon. Just always check on those things na you can use it, but it's really not that expensive. Me, I'm really kuripot. And I wanted to save a lot of money when I'm buying things. And then I'm always only buy things that is necessary, that is really needed. When I say needed, or I really want it, or I really like it. But it still depends on you on how you're gonna spend your money. So everybody just spend your money wisely. And don't be an impulsive buyer, because I've been an impulsive buyer before and I make CC on that already. So with this short vlog, I do hope that you did like it. You did like again my another unboxing, and then I'm gonna have a lot more unboxing to do, because a happy wife is a happy life that always loves to shop. So that is the Pascual-Pokrass, and then my husband really like, oh my God, you have a delivery again. But this time it was Jimmy who got it at our door. Na said somebody's knocking a while ago, and I haven't heard it. And then I said, did not message me, so I don't know if they're already there. So when he opened the door a while ago, it is on our door, and then he was the one who handed over to me my delivery. So it's nice also to have somebody here at home. Sometimes they're the one paying for it, but this time, because now at least we have little earnings from YouTube. So whatever that I do earn, I also have to spend something for the kagaganda, for the betterment of our channel. So anyway, so I've been talking a lot here. I know that you still have a lot of things to do. All those people who are watching this channel would like to give a big shout out to all my new members. I got Baltonator, I got JM Unleashed, and I got Emily Rapper, not Raper, and I got the Joy Fajares. Thank you so much mga anak for supporting Mommy D's channel. And also, if I could do the same thing to give you back the support that you're giving to this channel, I'm gonna try it. Okay, not promise, but I'm gonna do it. If I say that I'm gonna try to do it, I'm gonna do it. Rest assured of that. And for those who want to be a part of this channel, just hit the join button, and definitely you're gonna get a lot of bonuses from this channel. And for those who send a super chat, thank you so much also. And I hope that we're gonna see each other again on my next vlog, and definitely that will be another thing either I'm gonna open at something or it's my health diary. Okay, so thank you so much, everybody, and I do hope that you're also gonna connect with all my wonderful members. All right, and also my American family. Mega love shout out to all of you. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. This is the Pascual-Pokrass of the Duday channel. A happy wife is a happy life. Bye.
Clap.